Good morning. This particular application of service charge collection is exclusively done for Municipal Authority Tambaram, Chennai. So here we have taken the data's input given by the Municipal Authority in .csv format, which is already a preloaded database. From this database, we can call up the customer through their property tax assessment number, and the property tax assessment number will be the search key, where it produces the data based on which we can collect the service charge to respective property tax assessees. So now we will go for a demo, brief demo. Just you can watch out. By pressing a bill, it asks for the property tax assessment number. Just I am entering one particular number, a random number like 6121, which calls a customer name Rajagopal. So this particular customer name is Rajagopal, which is searched by just mere entering his assessment number. By pressing another enter, it asks for the amount which has to be collected as service charge. Now the normal service charge nowadays they collect for the residents like 30 rupees, for example. Now it asks for the payer, that is who pays the amount. The assessee might not be the resident currently, and there might be some tenant residing in that particular place, and we can enter his number, his name in this particular payer name who pays out. So now it is already with the name Guna, but now I am changing the name as Mohan. Now Mr. Mohan has paid 30 rupees. The bill is generated with all these details like payment assessee's assessment number, the financial year by which the assessment has been done, the ward number, the name of the assessee, and his door number and the address, along with the person who has paid, Mr. Mohan, and the amount collected is 30 rupees. This is how the municipal authority has planned to collect the service charges for these particular area of residents. So this is a pilot project which is almost into the verge of conclusions.
Now you can watch this particular data. So these are all the data which has been generated for the bill assessment number 6122. So these particular records will be taken into our computer, which will be installed with the freeware MySQL 2005 Exchange server. Now I am going to bill 6123, and you can observe it in the GPRS transaction screen. The customer is Hariharan, and now it is paid by 60 rupees, and the payer's name is Money. Now this particular transaction of records has been observed in the GPRS transaction tool for the customer demonstration. This particular tool has been designed for the customer demonstration. This comes with entire details. See, this is Mr. Money, who has received the amount of 60 rupees, and the assessee name is Hariharan, and the financial year along with his details of 6123 is his assessment number. So this is how the GPRS remote traction and data collection is done through GPRS enabled handled billing machine. So all these things will be shown in the printout, scanned printout also for you.
Well, we have done 3 transactions. Now I have taken down all the 3 transactions done manually initially, then 2 records through GPRS, which has been represented for you. So now I take all the 3 records through USB pen drive. Just insert the pen drive. The machine senses the USB connectivity. Now go for the transfer of the records. By entering its password, it is asking for USB upload. Now I am uploading the bills, and it is for the transaction from to date showing 21st of October to 21st of October. Now by pressing the enter twice, it takes for the file transfer. It is reading the file and creates the files and replace the input data. Yeah, this is how the bills are transacted to the USB pen drive. Now it will be visually seen now. Cut பண்ணிக்கிறியா? So this is the bill which has been created by the handle billing machine, which has been transferred to the USB pen drive. Yeah. So these are all the 3 records created during this demonstration. One is for Rajagopal of 6121, another is for Ambujam for 6122, and for Hariharan 6123. These are all the records which has been required by the Municipal Authority of Chennai Tambaram. So this is how the output of the transaction is read through the .csv file.